Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 2nd, Is matter around us pure, part 12. The topic is separation by chromatography. First of all, we have to know what is chromatography. Chromatography is a technique of separating two or more dissolved solids which are present in a solution in very small quantities. Now, there are so many chromatography techniques, but the simplest one is paper chromatography that is discussed in this class. So we have to know paper chromatography. It is a technique. It is a simplest form of chromatography. It is the simplest form of chromatography, which is based on the fact that though two or more substances are soluble in the same solvent, but their solubilities may be different. Some may be more soluble than the others. In the technique of paper chromatography, we use a chromatography paper. So we have to know what is chromatography paper. A special type of paper that is used for carrying out separation by chromatography. What is chromatography paper? A special type of paper that is used for carrying out separation by chromatography. There is another important term that is known as chromatogram. What is chromatogram? The chromatography paper with its separate colored spots is called a chromatogram that are obtained after the chromatography process. Now we have to know the example. Separation of dyes present in a black ink. So first of all, we take a thin and long strip of filter paper, and draw a pencil line. This is the pencil line on it, about 3 centimeter from one side, 3 centimeter from this side. In the second point, then we put a small drop of black ink, that was put here, black ink on the filter paper strip at the center of the pencil line. Now, when the drop of ink has totally dried, the filter paper strip is lowered. Into a tall glass jar. This is a glass jar in which the filter paper is lowered by using a sellotape containing some water in its lower part. The filter paper strip is held vertically in this way by attaching its upper end to a glass rod. This is a glass rod with sellotape. Now, in the fourth point, the water gradually rises up. In the rises up the filter paper strip in this way by capillary action. What is capillary action? Capillary action is the cohesion of liquid molecules by capillaries of paper or cotton is known as capillary action. These actions are also seen in our body or in the plants. Now, in the fifth step, when the water reaches near the top end of the filter paper strip. The paper strip is removed from the jar in this way and dried. After that, the chromatogram, this is known as chromatogram, obtained by using black ink in this experiment has three colored spots on it that shows the given sample of black ink has three different dyes mixed in it. So we can separate different colors of black ink by using paper chromatography. What are the application or what are the usage of chromatography? So we have to know usage of chromatography or application of chromatography. First one is to separate solutions of colored substances. The chromatography word is developed by two words, chroma and graphy. Chroma means colored or graphy means technique, separation of technique. So we separate mainly first of all in the chromatography technique we separate the colored substances. So the main application of this process is separation of colored substances. Second one, to detect and identify trace amounts, that means very little amount of substances. In forensic science, forensic science is the branch of science in which we study about the dead body death cause. Third use of chromatography is to separate small amounts of products of chemicals, that means reactant or product in the reaction that are obtained in very little or very trace amount. So this is very important technique, and in the next segment we explain about the distillation. Till then, goodbye.